Hey there, welcome to WP Beginner video series, and in this video I'd like to go over how to insert an image gallery into WordPress. Now if you're like a lot of people and you take amazing pictures while you're on vacation, you want to be able to showcase them to your readers or to your friends or family if you have a blog. And when you showcase them, you tend to want to put them in a gallery type setting. Real nice way of inserting all the images. And if you're like most, you start looking for amazing gallery plugins to use, and you can get bogged down in that. But what a lot of people don't know is WordPress actually has a built-in gallery feature, and that's what I want to show you today, is how you can use WordPress's built-in feature to create your own image gallery. So I'm going to go into posts. I'm going to create a new post to show you how it's done. Now the beauty of this is you can actually create a gallery in either a post or a page. I just happen to choose a post for this. So I'm going to go in and click Add Media. And right here you can see you can create a gallery. Once that's selected, you can either choose images from the media library, which I'm going to choose these 4. You can also upload at the same time maybe new image from your PC. So I'm going to upload a new image from my PC, as well as have these that I've selected that are already on my website. And if you see down here, it's actually showing you how many are selected to be a part of the gallery. So I've got 5 of them, and it's finally been uploaded. So now I can go over here and create new gallery. Now with this section, this is where I can edit the gallery to either rearrange images as I want, add captions to the images. I can change up the orders up here if I didn't like that. We can randomize the order when anybody goes and views the post or page. This is where the columns are selected, how many columns the images will show on the page. And then we have the link to, and that just tells when somebody clicks on an image, do we want it to link to an attachment page? Do we want it to link directly to the image file, or do we want to say none? And I'm just going to leave attachment page selected. So once I'm happy with the way it all looks here, go down and say Insert Gallery. And what WordPress does is it creates this great big box here that indicates that there is a gallery inserted into this post. In fact, if you hover over it, you can see that the gallery IDs means those are all the image IDs that are part of this gallery. And if you go into text, you also see the shortcode that's inserted. Okay, and what I'd like to do is preview this right now in a new tab and see how it looks. Let's see, it's exactly what I asked for. I wanted 3 columns and gave some captions on some of the images, and when I click on it, it takes the user to an attachment page with 1 image. And that's great. But what if you want to do a little bit fancier thing like a carousel? I'll show you a great way to add a very simple carousel feature to your WordPress after I click Save Draft. So Syed Balki and the team at WP Beginner, they liked the carousel that was being offered with the Jetpack plugin. It's a Jetpack plugin is a plugin that's created for WordPress users, but the problem with that is you have to actually create a username and attach that for wordpress.com. So Syed just decided to branch that off, fork the plugin, and created a carousel without Jetpack. So I want to show you that plugin right now. So I'm going to go down to plugins. I'm going to say Add New, and we're going to search for Carousel without Jetpack plugin and search for the plugins. And you'll see Gallery Carousel without Jetpack comes up, and we want to make sure that it's the one that Syed Balki created. And we'll just say Install Now. And once that's done, that's really all that we have to do. Once we activate the plugin, then it should be ready to go. I'll go up here, go back to the page or the post, click refresh. And it still looks the same. However, when you click on it, now you have this great carousel feature where you can go through seamlessly through all the images on your web page. So it's a great, nice functionality for your users, a richer experience for them. And that's all you have to do. Now, if you want to make a few changes, you go to the settings and then the media section. And that brings up all the settings for media. And you can say display images in full-size carousel slideshow, which is what it is now. You can choose the black or white background, and that will dramatically change the display of it. And then you can either decide to show the photo metadata in the carousel or not. So those are the changes that you can make for this plugin. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to check out all the other videos that we have to offer at WP Beginner Video Series. Thank you.